Are you struggling to reach your target audience with your content? Do you feel like your posts are getting lost in the vast sea of information online? It's time to optimize your content for maximum reach with the right keywords. Keywords are the secret sauce to getting your content noticed by the right people. By strategically incorporating relevant keywords into your content, you can improve your search engine rankings and attract more visitors to your website. But how do you find the right keywords for your content? Start by doing some research to identify popular search terms in your industry. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner or SEMrush to discover high-volume keywords that are relevant to your content. Once you've identified the perfect keywords, make sure to incorporate them naturally into your headlines, subheadings, and body copy. This will signal to search engines that your content is relevant to those keywords and improve your chances of ranking higher in search results. Don't forget to regularly monitor your keyword performance and make adjustments as needed. Keep experimenting with different keywords to see what resonates with your audience and drives the most traffic to your site. By optimizing your content with the right keywords, you can expand your reach, attract more visitors, and ultimately grow your business. So don't wait any longer. Start optimizing your content today and watch your audience reach soar.